So that's this car out here that's been out here for 10 minutes running its fucking engine. And I'm getting ready to go out here and we're gonna have a, hey! We're gonna have a confrontation right fucking now. Hey! What the fuck are you doing? Shut your fucking car off. You're making too much fucking noise out here.
You're making more noise than I am.
Yeah, you know what? Stop fucking around. You hear this car? 11 o'clock at night in front of my fucking house. Fuck you, stalkers. Shut the fuck up and shut your car off or move the fuck away. Fuck you, asshole.